What if I told you that the 2027 Luxe Elegante 33EFS is not just an RV? It's a rolling 5-star hotel designed to redefine luxury travel? This is the kind of motorhome that makes you question whether you even need a house anymore. From its jaw-dropping exterior presence to a rear interior that feels like a private executive lounge, the 33EFS is built to impress, perform, and dominate the luxury RV segment. Welcome to my channel Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the 2027 Luxe Elegante 33EFS to see if it truly lives up to the hype and, more importantly, is it worth the price? Starting with the exterior design, the Luxe Elegante 33EFS carries a bold and commanding road presence. The aerodynamic front cap is sculpted for efficiency while maintaining a premium look. Sleek LED headlights blend seamlessly into the body, giving it a modern and aggressive stance. Chrome accents, high-gloss paint finishes, and sharp body lines make it stand out instantly whether it's parked at a campsite or cruising down the highway. Large panoramic windows not only enhance visibility, but also flood the interior with natural light. Power awnings extend effortlessly, creating a shaded outdoor living space in seconds. This motorhome doesn't just look expensive, it feels engineered with precision and confidence. Now, let's move to the rear interior, and this is where things get truly impressive. As you step inside, you're greeted with ultra-premium captain chairs and plush sofas designed for maximum comfort. The seating layout is spacious and intelligently arranged, offering both relaxation and entertainment space. Soft touch materials, premium leather finishes, and ambient LED lighting elevate the luxury atmosphere instantly. The lounge area features a large wall-mounted LCD TV, perfectly positioned for movie nights or catching up on your favorite shows. Surrounding cabinets and overhead storage compartments are beautifully crafted with high-end finishes, providing both elegance and practicality. Every inch feels thoughtfully designed. Moving toward the bedroom, the 33EFS continues to impress. A king-size bed sits at the center, surrounded by elegant cabinetry and wardrobe space. The mattress is thick and supportive, ensuring restful sleep after long journeys. Additional storage compartments and built-in drawers maximize functionality without sacrificing style. Soft lighting and modern decor create a calm, hotel-like ambience that makes extended travel feel effortless. When it comes to power and performance, the 2027 Luxe Elegante 33EFS doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it's equipped with a high-output diesel engine engineered for smooth long-distance cruising. The power delivery feels steady and confident, whether climbing steep inclines or maintaining highway speeds. Advanced suspension systems reduce road vibrations, ensuring a comfortable ride for passengers. Steering is responsive, and braking performance is solid, giving drivers complete control despite its large size. In terms of features, this motorhome is packed with advanced technology. A digital driver display keeps essential information easily accessible. Smart climate control maintains perfect interior temperature regardless of outside conditions. Integrated navigation, premium sound systems, backup cameras, and multiple safety assist systems enhance both convenience and security. Solar panel options and upgraded battery systems add off-grid capability, making it perfect for extended adventures. Now, let's talk about price. While exact pricing can vary depending on customization and added packages, the 2027 Luxe Elegante 33EFS positions itself in the premium luxury segment. It's not built to be cheap, it's built to deliver top-tier comfort, technology, and performance. For buyers seeking elite craftsmanship, high-end finishes, and long-distance reliability, the price begins to make sense. So, is it worth it? If you value luxury, space, advanced features, and powerful performance in one complete package, the 2027 Luxe Elegante 33EFS makes a very strong case. It's more than just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement on wheels.